So I thought I would go ahead and make like a little your sound quality video. I don't know what you want to call it. These cheap Boss speakers that I bought. These are Walmart. I bought them online, Walmart.com. Cheap head unit. Cost me $65 from Sonic Electronics, and these were like 15-20 bucks for the pair. I have one door panel on right now, and then you can see this really high quality cone that's on these speakers. Aren't they nice? Alright. And I just thought I would make a video just showing what they sound like. They're not that bad actually. Just going through auxiliary on my Zune. So you see, it really doesn't sound bad at all for a really cheap system. It shows that you don't really have to spend too much money to get something that actually sounds pretty decent. They could probably get a little bit louder on a few different ways. I have the high pass and everything set real conservatively. Just I didn't want to blow anything because I'm going to be selling this, like I said, and I don't want anybody to be able to like crank it up and just blow them immediately. So, you know, they really should never have to redo these. Thanks, guys.